right now, and I'm sick, right? This don't make no sense whatsoever, bro. But what I'm about to do, bro, just wait. Like, you see this, bro? Imagine if I got tatted, bro. Just imagine if I got tatted. I got tatted right now. Just go ahead and hide your bitch at this point. You might as well just go ahead and hide your. Like, when I get tatted, it's just like mandatory. Like, you just keep your girl in the crib, lock her up, lock her safe. Like, just make sure she's safe in the side. Make sure she's safe inside in the crib. Do not bring her outside, because when Drake pop outside, and I'm not even finna like take her on purpose, bro. I'ma just beat her, bro, and just like, you feel me? I'ma just beat her, bro. Yeah, how was y'all day though? Cool. Yeah, I ate. What'd you eat? Shit nasty as fuck. It's like, nah, I'm lying. Little sit down vlog, I guess. I'm just recording. I'm just a YouTuber. I'm just a YouTuber. It's like, nah, though. Just vibing, just cooling. Got a little video. Hold on, I got a little video for y'all for tomorrow. Hold on. Just the video for tomorrow. Look at this shit. Come on now. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Y'all know what y'all need to do? Subscribe to Draco TV. Overdue video. Subscribe.
YouTube, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Draco, and
Thought y'all was finna get the whole rundown of the video. No, but back with another video. Ain't gonna lie.
back with another video.
Yeah, that's how y'all get to see, bro. But this video dropping tomorrow. Yeah, we'll just catch y'all tomorrow, bro. YouTube, what good job it is the next day, as y'all can see. I'm about to get up, go ahead and get dressed. Go in there, brush my teeth, do all that, show y'all. But yeah, let me get up real quick and show y'all once I hop in there.
But all I do think about the way you make me feel. But baby, the love
Dress and get back with y'all boys once I pick out my outfit. Gang. Adjust. This is the fit. Don't mind this mirror. It is a little dirty. It is a little dirty, but that's what we rocking. All black. Mirror a little dirty, but yeah, all black fit. Head to toe. Should I wear my hair like this or not? I don't know. I'm debating. I might just wear my hair out. I don't know yet. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this chain on and throw in the jacket and then show y'all what this what it look like with that on. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay. Alright, y'all. So little chain on. Yeah. Should look like pig. I don't even know if I can see, but whole fit right here. This not like, I don't know. It's not blurry, but chain, all that. I mean, I'm gonna catch up with y'all, boy. When I get to the school, I wanna wear my hair up. I might end up wearing my hair up today, just because I don't care. Yeah, that's what it look like. Just because I don't care, and I'm about to just be me, bruh. So I don't care. I'm gonna just wear my hair up. I haven't worn my hair up at all this year, so why not? Why not start today? Hey, I gotta lie. You catch y'all when I'm at school, man. Dang. 2 was good, y'all. Bro, I just pulled up to the school. As y'all can see, I'm at the school. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, bro. But I just did these little settings on my camera and shit. Y'all fuck with the like little blurry background. Or should I keep it regular how I had it before? But yeah, I'm about to go ahead into this building. I don't even have a first class or like a first period, so I don't even know what I'm about to do in there. I might just go ahead and do my work in there. Then I might, when I switch classes, I'm gonna record. And let me get out real quick. Yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all once I'm in the building. Yeah. Yo, YouTube, what's good, y'all, bro? I'm in this little lab. Grinding for y'all, boy. Grinding. Dropping a video today. Y'all gonna see that video today. When I showed y'all last night. When I showed y'all yesterday, y'all gonna see that today. And this video will be dropped tomorrow. I need to go back out and do my work and catch y'all boys later. YouTube, as y'all can see, there was a slight change of plans. As y'all can see, I am still in the whip. Me and my bros, we called up there to the place, right? We call up there, asked them, do they have open gym today? They say, yeah. So mind you, we like, all right, cool. We about to go hoop after school. And yeah, do that. Another one of my bros called up there just to make sure they still had open gym, right? They gonna say, no, we don't have open gym. It's closed. We like, all right, but y'all just told us y'all got open gym so we can hoop. Mind y'all, we like don't even know what we finna do. So one of my bros called up there one more time just to make sure. They say yeah, they said we can hoop. They said we got open gym, y'all can come hoop, right? Okay, cool. We all get up there. Guess what they gonna tell us, bro? They gonna tell us that we cannot hoop if you're 18. And mind you, it's a 18 and under can hoop because it's a youth. 18 and under can hoop today. But if you 18, you cannot hoop. That don't make sense. And most of us is 18. So yeah, therefore we all didn't hoop. So everybody just left. Everybody went home. And yeah, I'm at the house right now. But yeah. And we ain't even worried about that no more. Like, we ain't tripping about it no more. It is what it is, bro. But yeah. And yeah, that's it. All that for that hooping situation, bro. That's not crazy, bro. They just bullshitted us like crazy, bro. Just wasted our time. But yeah, I did end up going to pick up these little Crocs that I got. Oh. Yeah. Oh, got the box. Yeah. Yeah, these junks is hard, bro. Got this one and this one, bro. Yeah. And they came with some more right here. I'm about to go get dressed. And I'm gonna catch y'all when I get over there to his crib. Gang. All right, y'all, we are at the car meet right now. But we just waiting for more cars to pull up. There's hella cars here already. I don't know if y'all can see them. They all over there though. Hella cars over there already. But we're just waiting for more cars to pull up. It's the flyer didn't say. The flyer said it started at 8:30. It's like 7 something. But yeah, people just getting here early though. There's hella cars over there though. They all of them cars put up at the same time. But yeah, me and my bro, we parked all the way over here just in case, you know what I'm saying, 12 come and stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna see what they finna do right now. I'm about to go hop in his whip real quick. And yeah, I'm about to go hop in his whip right now. They go hop in his whip. Turn this light off. Oh snap. All the way over there. What's up, Drake? Hey,
You ready, Niggy? It's just getting started though, bro.
Oh, bro. What time is it?
It's only 8 8:04.
Yeah, it don't start till 8:30, doesn't it?
What's good with y'all? Hey, we about to turn up, bro.
Oh,
Y'all
God,
about
this
to
shit
see
about to
some-
be crazy.
Y'all about to see some other shit, bro. Y'all about to see how we really get lit.
Oh, bro. I'm about to hop in real quick.
Alright.
Oh, shit.
I need to go up. Alright.
A little bit. There you go, there. T-Mac in the cut,
ready.
bro.
We could have came later. That's whenever.
Who else
Let me see
coming?
my token. Was it charge?
Who else coming?
Shit in them.
I didn't even know it was right here. I thought it was gonna be further than this.
Oh shit. Shit at 12.
Them niggas pulled up at the same time. I thought they was about to get ready to start.
Oh shit, 12.
Where?
I'm already shutting this shit down.
You gonna get in the part or?
What the fuck? They already shutting this shit? Yeah. They on this shit already. Already. Shit didn't even start. 12 pulled up already, bro. Damn. Niggas can't even just chill. 12 done pulled up already, man. 12 done pulled up already, man. Let me go ahead and get up out of here. They stopped my ass. Hell nah. Oh, why they got them big ass lights? What you, Brody? They go ahead and get up out of here. Look at them, man. Already, bro. Damn. They shut this motherfucker down instantly, boy. They shut this shit down instantly. I already knew it was gonna happen, though. I had a feeling it was gonna happen. I'm gonna pick back up the camera once we somewhere doing something, bro. So, all the cars out. This thing. The bros just pulled up.
Crazy.
Alright, got the 4.1 nigga too.
Bro.
Hey, hell,
Do it, y'all.
Got the out?
Bros done pulled up and some more. Good job, boy. Oof. Baby. Oh, it's colder than a motherfucker, though.
that shit at the bottom of the car, the little light shit, that shit hard.
High key, man.
That shit, niggas be having that shit switching colors.
He was right over there.
Let's get ready. Hey, we over here at this other parking lot, this other location. I don't even know if y'all can see me. We at this other location. It's literally right across the street. We went across the street to this other location, and everybody out here. We just waiting for more cars to pull up, bro. I'm gonna pick back up the cam once everybody get here, though. 12 came again. YouTube. All right, y'all. So we did have to relocate the spot. We was at this one location, and as y'all know, 12 did pull up. They pulled up twice, actually. They pulled up the first time as soon as we got there, and we went to another spot. They pulled up again like 10-20 minutes later, and now we at this third spot where 12 said we can come. So yeah, we out here at this 12 at this third spot. And they got hella cars over here now. There's hella cars, but hey, I'm gonna show y'all all the cars once I get out there. I'm about to go out there, hop in my bro up real quick. And yeah, I'm gonna pick back up the camera once we doing something. Okay. The cat is out. This shit. Oh, T.
We just here. Yo, T.
Got the cat. This nigga Cam got the cam. Cam with the cam.
So look, this shit.
You got a charger in there.
Oh my, that yellow shit is sexy. On that shit sit low.
I'm putting all in one D.
Hey, just get the yellow shit. Go to the yellow shit. This shit's so hard, bro.
Oh my God, you mind if we take a pic of the car? You mind if we take a pic of the car? Appreciate that, bro. You gotta get it from like the side, so like the whole car. And try to like.
Yeah, if you not look
through the hole.
With the toe.
You could just.
It's dead.
Yeah, you could take it like that.
He moved.
Alright.
You
built for the paparazzi.
He moved, bro.
Bro, look at this guy.
Built for the paparazzi.
Oh, bro. Look at this nigga, bro. This shit is sexy, bro.
That's a good thing. That's a good thing. That's a good thing.
Alright.
You think it's a split if I make you into a split? Good charge, man.
Y'all won't shoot it, though. Y'all won't shoot it. Y'all won't shoot it. Hey, Zay. Yeah. Oh, you talking to Cam?
Man, this nigga LJ pussy. I be beating this
What's
nigga
good?
every day.
Both of y'all want words? Man, you know what really get your channel jumping? Niggas do a boxing. Like, beat your ass.
Like a cage fight.
Stop.
Like where you give me the gloves and I just punch on the
money, I
camera.
ain't been to sleep in 3 days. This nigga look fat and he know it, he ain't getting shit.
I'll punch on the cameraman and this nigga.
Bro, I saw you eating a bologna sandwich from us today. I don't want to hear shit you got.
I hate you. You better put all that woofing out here, bro. It's not the wolf. It's not time
Get the gloves.
I was like, this one.
The dog doggy your ass. Bro. With my eyes closed.
But we seen the sandwich.
Now I'm gonna box the new cameraman. Beat
You ain't boxing me, nigga. Slide over here.
Good night, too.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. You said over here, right? This the angle right here? Yeah, you can do it any angle. You can do it straight from the front. You can do it slide in. You just gotta get the whole subject in there.
That front look crazy. I just got some rubber on me.
Look at the headers.
No, down there on the bottom. Bottom of the car, down by the headers. Back up.
Back at this shit, boy.
Shit, crazy, we know. Hey, bro. Really outside right now, man. Really outside right now.
Oh, 12.